Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to Madam Maizan binti Abu Bakar. My name is Hanizam bin Zaid from DKA 2C. Today we are gonna present about curve ranging in subject engineering survey. So let me introduce my teammate first. So first is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Noor. Registration number is 01DKA21F1078. And second is Muhammad Hamzani bin Muhammad Hamzah. Registration number is 01DKA21F179. And Hanizam bin Zaid is me, 01DKA21F1102. And lastly, Muhammad Amiruddin bin Muhammad Azhar, 01DKA21F1149. So this is our table of content for this presentation. First is introduction, is the theory of curve ranging. Second is equipment. Third is analysis and data calculation. And lastly is comment and conclusion. So first, let me introduce what is curve ranging. In the design of road and railways, straight section of road or track are connected by curve of constant or varying radius. The purpose of the curve is to deflect the torque. The angle between the two straight is that theta. For those reasons, theta is known as deflection angle. In construction surveying, curves have to be set out on the ground for a variety of purposes. A curve may form the major part of road. It may form a curved line at an adjunction, or maybe the shape of an ornamental rosebed in a town center. So there are many types of horizontal curve, which is simple curve, is circular curve of constant radius. Next is compound curve, is two or more consecutive simple curve of different radius. Next is reverse curve, two or more consecutive simple curve of the same of different radius with their center on opposite side of the common tangent. Next is transition curve, curve with gradually varying radius, often referred to a spiral. Lastly is combined or composite curve, consisting of consecutive transition and simple circular curve. This is the usual manner in which transition curve are used in road and railway practice to link a straight and circular curve or bad branch of a compound of or reverse curve. So I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hamzani bin Muhammad Hamzah. My metric number is 01DKA21F1079. I will talk about the equipment and the function that are used in fieldwork. The firstly is measuring tape. The function measuring tape is used in surveying for measuring horizontal, vertical, or slope distance. Tape is used in various lengths and widths and graduated in variety of ways. Number 2 is hammer. A hammer is a tool, most often a hand tool consisting of a weighted head fixed to a long handle that is swung to deliver an impact to a small area of an object. Number 3 is wrangling pole. Wrangling pole are used to mark area and to set out straight lines on the field. They are also used to mark points which must be seen from a distance, in which case a flag may be attached to improve the visibility. Wrangling poles are straight, round, stock, 3 to 4 cm thick and about 2 meter long. Number 4 is picket. Picket pads or picket are used to mark the position, station, or terminal point of a survey line. They are driven in the ground with the help of the hammer and keep 4 cm above the ground surface. The dimension of pads is generally 15 cm long and 3 cm square in the top. Number 5 is theodolite. The function theodolite is a precision optical instrument for measuring angles between designated visible point in the horizontal and vertical planes. The lastly is tripod. Tripod that use the function that the tripod is a surveyor tripod is a device used to support any or any one of a number surveying instrument such as theodolite, total station, levels, and transits. Next, I will pass to the Aiman to more explain about the data calculation. And thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you Hazani. My name is Muhammad Iman bin Muhammad Noor. My registration number is 01DKA21F1078. So today, I want to continue this presentation to explain analysis and data calculation. Okay, this is data collection after analysis and data calculation. So, we'll get value of y for 0.1, 3.51, 0.2, 3.34, 0.3, 2, 0.82, 0.4, 1 for 90, and 0.5 will get 0.45. Okay, next I will explain how to get the value of y. Okay, first we need to know the value of long chord, radius, and interval value for x. Second step, using formula y equal to square root bracket r square minus x square minus square root bracket r square minus bracket c per 2 square to get the value of y. Okay, for 0.1, y equal to square root bracket 12 square minus 0 square minus square root bracket 12 square minus bracket 16.97 per 2 square. So we'll get for the first equation 12 minus second equation 8.49. So the answer 3.51. Okay, for the next point, just need to calculate the equation on the left only, because only the value of the interval change. 0.2 will get for first equation 11.83 minus 8.49. So the answer 3.34. 0.3 will get 11.31 minus 8.49. So the answer 2.82. 0.4 will get the first equation 10.39 minus 8.49. So the answer 1.90. And lastly 0.5. For the first equation we get 8.94 minus 8.49. So the answer 0.45. That's all for me. Next I pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you Aiman. So let's continue with the sketch and drawing. So from the table that we get, this is the sketch that we get from the one of the linear method for setting circular curves. Offset from long chord, in this method, only linear measurement is taken. For the conclusion, this method is easier and simple than any other method like perpendicular offset from tangent, offset from chord produced, and so on. So, if an error occurred, the only reason is our calculation is wrong. After complete the calculation, we can bring this calculation to the fieldwork and mark the offset point according to the table. So in this sketch, we use scale 1 over 1.6. Thank you.
Thank you Amiruddin. Okay, this is task distribution schedule. First is me, make the slide, analysis and data calculation, presenting analysis and data calculation. Second, Zahan Nizam, video editor, looking information about introduction, presenting introduction. Third, Amiruddin, make conclusion, draw and sketch the curve, and presenting conclusion. And lastly, Hamzani, looking information about equipment, presenting equipment, and made task distribution schedule. Okay, this is the reference that our team used to complete the fieldwork. So that's all from us. Thank you for watching.